Hello, my name is Justin and welcome back to Disney Parks News. If you're new to my channel, my name is Justin and I'm a Disney Parks YouTuber. I do vlogs, updates, and news about Disney. And today we're talking about three things today. Splash Mountain getting renovations with Tiana, Princess and the Frog. Magicband Plus over at Walt Disney World, and how the Jungle Cruise turned pink. Like what? I don't know how that happened. But let's talk about Splash Mountain. So recently, Disney Parks, the YouTuber Disney Parks, made news about Splash Mountain. So Disney said the renovations turning Splash Mountain into Princess and the Frog, and the official name is Tiana's Bayou Adventure, and it's coming later in 2024. And I'm pretty excited about that. Splash Mountain's gonna close next year, so they could get ready for renovations. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. They haven't confirmed like an actual date, but I've seen concept arts. If you can see here, there's the concept arts and using concept arts about Tiana's Bayou Adventure opening later 2024 at Disneyland here in California and over at Florida Walt Disney World. So let's talk about the second thing. Magicband Plus over at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. And I'm going to Walt Disney World later next year, so watch out for that vlog. And I've seen videos, I've seen pictures, and it looks pretty cool. It looks pretty cool if you scan it, your Magicband, it interacts with you with the Fab 50. It interacts that fireworks show like Disney Enchantment and Harmonious. It even interacts with like Star Wars, like Hunt and Galaxy's Edge, and it looks pretty cool. So watch out for that vlog because I might do it later next year. So let's talk about the last thing. Oh, and also, if you haven't watched yesterday's vlog, was about regular Magicband at Disneyland, you should watch that vlog first. Then come back here. The third thing is Disneyland's Jungle Cruise turned pink. The water turned pink. Yeah, I know. It's crazy, but it's like actual news. So, what happened? So when they built the Jungle Cruise in the 1950s, Walt wanted the water to be like real. He wanted the water to be like realistic, and so they did some scientific stuff, and they put a chemical that turned pink. So that what happened at the Jungle Cruise over at Disneyland. Well, here in Disneyland. And then so yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe, comment, leave a like button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss it on any of our future videos. And I'll see you guys next time.